What if I told you I was going to take you to see some of the most beautiful hidden waterfalls in the world? The only thing is, first you have to rappel this, jump off this, slide through this, and navigate your way through this. Welcome to Canyoneering, the most awesome outdoor adventure. It's like hiking on steroids because it's not just hiking, it's climbing, rappelling, cliff jumping, and even natural water sliding. We took on one of the most extreme canyoneering routes in Washington state, and it was absolutely insane. From rappelling down massive waterfalls to navigating sketchy rock descents, this adventure pushed us to the limit. Can you imagine traveling through beautiful canyons, navigating waterfalls that most people will never see? We tackled these insane rappels, freezing waters, and epic landscapes through some of the most beautiful sculpted canyons in the entire world. We took a turn deep in this canyon that led us to hidden caves. Imagine finding caves where people have never stepped foot, inside immense sculpted gorges that are rarely traveled. Imagine dangling from a rope, hundreds of feet in the air, with nothing but rushing water below you. No trails, no easy way out. Just miles of cold water, vertical drops, and raw adventure. The only way out is forward. You think you could handle this? No signal, no easy exits, no turning back. They said it was just a small jump. But from up here, it looks like a death wish. Here goes nothing. One slip and I'm in for the ride of my life, and not in a good way. Hold on tight. There's no easy way to describe the feeling of just being immersed in the massive rush of negative ions produced by this amazing waterfall known as the rain room. As you drop into this tremendously beautiful confluence of water, you're immediately immersed in serenity, bliss, adventure, and adrenaline all at once. If you've never tried canyoneering before, what are you waiting for? This ultimate outdoor adventure is unmatched. Only 1% of people would ever attempt this. The question is, would you?
Infamous.